Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an AVCR made by the Apexi company here in Japan. AVCR, the actuator valve controller, the boost controller made by the Apexi or Apex company here in Japan. Apex, of course, a famous tuning and performance company. The AVCR, a world-renowned boost controller. This is the first generation of the Apexi AVCR Generation 1, and we have here a PCM valve, the solenoid valve, the harness, connecting the solenoid valve through the firewall to the controller, which of course is in the passenger compartment, and the extra harness here, which splices into the ECU, of course, as well as the electrical harness, the red and the black wire there. So the AVCR actuator valve controller in great condition. The boost sensor in the AVCR first generation is incorporated into the back of the controller, so you can see the boost sensor little nipple in the back there. In the later AVCR, the boost sensor was a separate unit, but in the first generation, it is included in the controller. So the full set, the sensor, the boost sensor, the harness, electrical harness, and the sensor harness, as well as the solenoid valve, the PCM solenoid valve. Excuse me. Going to some further photos, we can see the top of the unit, very tidy there. AVCR actuator valve controller made by the Apex, as it's called in Japanese, also known as Apexi or Apexi in overseas markets. Actuator valve controller Type R, R being racing spec, so the Type R, one of the most dynamic electronic engine management system on the street. The name is Apexi, achieve the driving high. Apexi, it's the supreme. So on the top there, a few little marks and scratches from where previously mounted, but in good tidy condition. And the front of the unit, again, marks and scratches on the front, but in good tidy condition. We'll just bring the zoom down a little bit there. And LCD screen, a nice green color, AVCR actuator valve controller Type R, the power button there, mode and volume button, the Apex logo there. And at night, a nice green color. So we can see the green color there. Mode and power buttons light up a nice green color, and also the outside of the volume button and the LCD a nice green color. So a very attractive unit. The Apexi AVCR boost controller, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.